Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Ishesh Paul and welcome to my channel Mathswala. In previous video, we have discussed the second question. I have, and previous two videos, I have covered two questions. The video that I have made yesterday is previously before this video is the second question. You can check this video in the description box and you try to solve this question without seeing. First, you pause the video and try the question. So in this video, we are going to discuss another question. Another question, that is prove that a plus b plus c into tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2. It's nothing but 2c cot c by 2. We need to prove. We need to prove this one. Okay. For that, let me consider LHS. LHS, it is given that a plus b plus c into tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2. A plus b plus c. We know that semi-perimeter is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2. Okay. It means a plus b plus c can be written as 2s. 2s into tan a by 2 root s minus b into s minus c by s of s minus a plus root s minus a into s minus c by s of s minus b. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take this one and this one as common, so that I am going to get 2s into root s minus c by s into root s minus b by s minus a plus root s minus a by s minus b. Right? Next thing, I am going to take this s inside the root, so that I am going to get 2 root s of s minus c into s minus b taking LCM plus s minus a by root s minus a into s minus b. Okay. 2s minus a plus b. It's nothing but c. This whole thing can be taken as c. So 2c into root s of s minus c by s minus a into s minus b. Okay. S minus b plus s minus c. It means 2s minus of a plus b. 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. Minus a minus b. Minus a minus b. It's nothing but remaining is c. 2c root s of s minus c by s minus a into s minus b. This shows us the simplest form, that is cot c by 2. It's nothing but 2c cot c by 2. Which is nothing but RHS. See, I have proved this relation using the half angle formula. Let me explain once again. I have taken a plus b plus c. I have considered LHS. Left hand side, I have taken this part. What I have done, a plus b plus c as per the semi-perimeter, I have taken this a plus b plus c as 2s. And tan a by 2, tan b by 2. I have applied their formulas, half angle formulas. And what I have done, I have observed that s minus c by s, root s minus c by s is common in both the terms. So I have taken this common and the remaining part I have written in brackets. What in next step, I have taken s inside the root and I got 2 root s of s minus c. And I have taken LCM, I got s minus b plus s minus a by root s minus a into s minus b. S is nothing but 2s minus a minus b. 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c minus a minus b. AB gets cancelled. We are going to get c. 2c into root s of s minus c by s minus a into s minus b. This directly indicates the simplest form, that is cot c by 2. It shows the direct relation, direct formula for cot c by 2. So I am going to get 2c cot c by 2, which is nothing but RHS. That's what we have to prove, and we have proved already. Okay. In this way we can solve this question. Let's discuss in another format, in another way. So what I am going to do, let me take tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2. It's nothing but sin a by 2 by cos a by 2 plus sin b by 2 by cos b by 2. Okay, tan is nothing but sin by cos. Now I will take LCM, so that I am going to get sin a by 2 cos b by 2 plus sin b by 2 cos a by 2 by cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Okay. Now sin a cos b plus sin b cos a. It's nothing but sin of a plus b. So it can be written as sin of So it can be taken as sin of a plus b by 2 by cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Sin of a plus b by 2. In previous video we have already proved the sin of a plus b by 2 is nothing but cos c by 2 by cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2. We have got the final result as cos c by 2 by cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So finally this part we have got it as cos c by 2 by cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am not going to apply for this. I am now going to consider these two only. It's nothing but a plus b plus c. It's nothing but 2s into cos c by 2 by cos a by 2 cos b by 2. 2s into cos c by 2 by root s of s minus a by bc into root s of s minus b by ac. Okay. S gets cancelled. Root s into root s gets cancelled. And I am going to remove this c out, so that I am going to get 2c into cos c by 2 by root s minus a into s minus b by ab. This shows us the direct relation, that's nothing but sin c by 2. So 2c cos c by 2 by sin c by 2. It's nothing but 2c cot c by 2. Here it is the another way that we can prove the given relation. In first method and in second method, the similar thing is in both the methods I have applied the half angle formulas. But in different situations. In first method, I have directly applied the formula for tan a by 2 and tan b by 2. But in this method, I have simplified this part, and finally I have got like this: cos c by 2 by cos a by 2 cos b by 2. When we consider this right hand side, cos c by 2 is nothing but cos c by 2 by sin c by 2. It means by this we can understand that cos c by 2 should be kept like this only, and we need to simplify cos a by 2 cos b by 2 with 2 years, so that I am going to get cos c by 2 as same everywhere, and I am going to get sin c by 2, and this as 2c cos c by 2 by sin c by 2, 2c cos c by 2. This is how we can prove this relation. This is the third problem that I am discussing in properties of triangle. Previously I have discussed two questions. You can check my previous video. Their links are given in the description box. Okay? Until then, tata.